Hi everyone, it's Dave from Diecast Toys Plus here. We went out today. Yeah, you got your receipt. We went out today and we picked up some Hot Wheels or some Johnny Lightning stuff. This is kind of like a little sneak preview of some of the stuff that we got. I'm going to do a video on it during the week sometime. We got some, those were all Johnny Lightning packs, and they got a Mako car here. And then there's some Johnny Lightnings in here and stuff.
Daddy, I don't need to see.
There's also this box, and it's got like racing champions and Johnny Lightnings and some lowrider cars, and some also got some of these big time muscle cars. We're gonna do a video on all this later.
Yeah, we're gonna divide it up into sections.
Yeah, we'll
and yeah, this is just a quick preview. It's actually a Craigslist haul.
Yeah.
We met a guy, you know, like about an hour away from us, and you know, some of this stuff is, it's mixed up. It's a lot of Johnny Lightning. Actually, a lot of it is Johnny Lightning. The guy said
there's also some Hot Wheels in there.
Okay, yeah.
There's some Hot Wheels down at the bottom of this box. Just some mainline cars and some these. And here's this, what is this? Irwin, some kind of NASCAR thing.
This one.
And then there's some racing champions like Top Fuel Dragsters.
Oh, that is so
bigger, not 1/64 scale. These are 1/24 scale.
Yeah.
Daddy, this is bigger.
Yeah.
It's kind of a quick little preview of what we got. So we'll make some videos up during the week, and we got organized, figure out what we got here.
Yeah, we're gonna figure out, like, we'll do more videos according to the like a Johnny Lightning lots video, and then some other videos like maybe
stuff, some Hot Wheels and some of these lowriders.
Yeah, that'll be great.
Cool.
Yeah, we're really excited that we were able to get this lot from this guy. He's doing some remodeling, and he hated to let go of his collection, but he needed the room. He needed the room. Yeah, that's what. Anyway, right. So okay. Well, thanks.
Next time soon.
Okay. Right, yeah. Keep
an eye out for.
Keep an eye out for the other videos that are coming up soon on the rest of this Craigslist haul.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. Thanks for and subscribe, and you know, comment below, and see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Olivia, say bye.
Bye.
All right.
We want to open this car.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see. Okay.